The third thing we want to talk about is rate of return on investment. We have all sorts of things that we can put our money into: cash value life insurance, real estate, stock market, obviously, bonds. There's so many things out there in today's society where we can put our money. Cryptocurrency is an example. When we look at all these things as a raw investment, the average rate of return in the stock market, if you're getting 8% in a stock or a cash value life insurance year over year, that's a great return. And people would kill for that if it was consistent and there was no risk tied to it, where the next year they might lose that plus a whole bunch more. So when we look at ROI in the solar industry, what we've seen here over our 9-year history is about an average of about a 16 to 19% rate of return on your money on a retrofit application. That's only going out to the 25-year warranty period, where the system's going to go way beyond that, but that would be unfair for us to calculate that in there. But when we look at that 16 to 19 and the system goes 35 years, let's say, of producing, that 16 to 19 turns into 22 to 25 really fast, which is a pretty unbeatable rate of return. When we look at the new build sector, because some of the sunk cost to build that new home would be considered part of that project, we recoup much faster on a new build at rates of return anywhere from 27 to 40% rate of return, depending on the budgets that are going into that new home. So from an ROI standpoint, that's the major reason that I feel like solar's booming here in Idaho. It is truly the safest place we can park our money at the highest rate of return.